I am out at one of my favorite local gardens just right around the corner from my house. I look forward to it opening every single year. So I thought I would just take you along and show you how pretty it is. Things really here aren't blooming yet, and they're still kind of prepping the grounds for this season, but it's still really, really pretty. So let's share a little bit. This is one of my favorite views from here. The grass area is so beautiful. You can have weddings here, and then it goes kind of back up the hill to the main residence. It's just so pretty. I'm here in Target and I'm in the garden section, so I'm going to show you some of my favorite things that I grab when I'm here that are easy to pick up for your garden. This seed starting mix has made a huge difference when I'm planting seeds this year. It's better than using a potting soil. This is a great reusable seed starting tray. I also love these little peat pots because you can just plant them right into the ground, so no waste. The seed section here is pretty good. I look for some unique things, like I'm gonna grab these dragon's tail radishes. I also love this kaleidoscope blend of carrots for different colors. One of these little misters, and this one is $10, but I found this one in the dollar spot for $3. I also have some of the cutest watering cans. I love all of these, but I've been wanting this one, so this one's coming home with me. These are some of my favorite garden tools. I love the wooden handles. This one's great if you're planting seeds or putting stuff into the ground because it automatically digs that hole for you. They're really good quality and they're all $10. Good morning. It is the first day of spring and we have just lucked out here in the Pacific Northwest with beautiful weather this week. I thought I'd give you a little garden tour. So I bought these sweet peas and I decided I just needed a little jump start. Mine are doing really well from seed, but I thought it'd be fun to start with some that are just a little more established. So I found these really cool pots at Home Goods. I'm also going to get some big terracotta pots, but these are great and they're lightweight. So I planted the sweet peas and then I grabbed this little bamboo garden trellis, and hopefully that will last a while. I know sweet peas get pretty big and I might have to do a bigger one for the other pot. And then this is my really cool planter box that I did last summer. Right now I just have chives that came back. So it's time to go to the garden center and get some more chives. I usually do my herbs with starts and not seeds. I just like a little more instant gratification. Okay, and then these are my sweet peas from seed, and they are doing well. I'm gonna get them a little bigger before I pot them up, but I'm really happy with them. The only thing in my garden beds right now are my sugar snap peas that I transplanted out here. That one's looking a little sad right there, and with that one. So I planted them a little far away from the trellis. I'm gonna need to just keep leaning them back so they can start up the trellis, but got a good start. And then I do have some chives that popped up again this year. And this is just a fun little hyacinth and that I potted up here in this little planter. It had some tulips, but it looks like they're not doing as well. But anyway, I think it looks really pretty. And these were green onions, and I had a couple extra snap pea seeds I popped in here. So obviously these two are doing well. I'll move those over into the planter bed. And then, I mean, these ranunculus are just beautiful. I bought these at the garden center and I just couldn't help myself. I just can't get over how pretty they are. So I just popped those in some pots with some of the moss that I foraged from the side of my yard. I also bought this little bamboo tray for microgreens, and then you buy these mats that you put inside, you wet them, and then you put the seeds on top. And the point is that you won't have any soil when you pick your microgreens, but this has been since Sunday. Granted, we're only at Tuesday, and I don't see anything so far, but keep an eye out, let you know how that goes. This is my little kind of in-house growing seedling station. I have 3 zinnias that I bought from Floret Flower, which I'm so excited about. This one is doing very well. They've all popped up, and this one is doing pretty good. And how are we doing here? This is spinach, a little slow on the grow, but okay. Another zinnia, let's see, whoops, starting to come up. And then over the weekend, I planted carrots and some radishes. Happy Sunday. I decided to come outside. As you can see, the sun is shining. There's not any rain, so I thought I would just do a little bit of gardening. I was going to show you a few things that I got. First up, I bought a strawberry plant, so I have a little urn over there that I'm going to plant the strawberry plant in. Okay, and then I have discovered somebody new on Instagram, and I am completely obsessed. It's Harold's Finishing Touches. I'm gonna put the name right here so you can check it out. He has an amazing garden. It looks like he also has a shop as well. But what I love about his garden is he has lots of boxwoods in terracotta pots. And I don't have a lot of yard space, but I have lots of room for pots. So I ran to the nursery today and I grabbed a couple boxwoods and terracotta pots, and I just figured they didn't have many to choose from, so I just bought 2. But I'm just gonna start doing lots of boxwoods in all sizes of terracotta pots. He has big ones, he has small ones. I have a boxwood hedge out front that used to be all of these boxwoods. My father-in-law one year for Mother's Day bought me, there must have been 40 to 50, and we lined our front walkway, and over the years it's turned into this boxwood hedge that I love so much. And then I also have like 4 other boxwood balls out here in my backyard, so really excited to start adding those. And then today I got an Amazon delivery of these wire cloches. I have wanted these for so long. I found these on Amazon. They were a set of 6, and I think they were like $90 for the 6, but they are a really good size, so you can see, and I just love the look of them. They're black. I would love the galvanized ones too, which would end up, you know, kind of being, they would rust over time, but that's okay. I put one over there on top of my lily of the valley, which I'll show you, to kind of just protect it a little bit. And then once I plant my strawberries, I'm gonna pop one of these on top. So let's get into the garden.